Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Englishology, where learning English is easy, fun, and part of your daily life. I'm Michael.
And I'm Sofia. Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, because today's episode is super useful.
That's right. Many people say, I want to speak English fluently, but they don't know how to practice every day.
Exactly. So today, we're going to show you a simple 10-minute routine you can do every single day to improve your speaking.
10 minutes, that's it. No excuses. You can do it in the morning, before bed, or even during your lunch break.
And by the end of this lesson, you'll know how to build a real daily habit that helps your English grow faster and stronger.
Let's begin with step 1. Start your day in English. For example, instead of thinking, I need to get up, say in English, I need to get up. It's time to start my day.
Yes, when you wake up, try to say your first few thoughts in English.
That's called self-talk, talking to yourself in English. It's one of the best ways to keep your brain active.
Exactly. You can talk to yourself about what you're doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making coffee. I'm getting ready for work.
Yes. Even 1 or 2 minutes of English thinking in the morning helps you stay connected to the language all day.
And don't worry if your sentences aren't perfect. The goal is practice, not perfection. Part 2. Learn 3 new words daily.
3 words. That's not too many. It's a small number, but if you learn 3 every day, that's more than 1,000 in a year. For example, if you see a mirror, learn how to say mirror. Then make a sentence. I look in the mirror every morning.
Wow, that's powerful. You can find new words from anything, a YouTube video, a book, or even your surroundings.
You can also write the words in a notebook or on your phone. Keep your own little English dictionary. Okay, step 3, speak out loud, even if you're alone.
And repeat out loud. Speaking the word helps your memory.
Yes. Pretend you're talking to a friend. For example, hey, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
Good idea. Just 3 new words a day. Simple, but life-changing if you stay consistent. Part 3. Speak out loud, even alone. Many learners say, but I have no one to talk to. Don't worry. You can talk to yourself. You can practice in front of a mirror. It feels funny at first, but it really helps you with confidence and pronunciation.
Exactly. You hear yourself, you correct yourself, and you start to sound more natural.
Even 5 minutes of speaking alone every day can make a big difference.
Step 4. Listen to English every day. You can listen to podcasts, songs, or YouTube videos like this one.
Yes, listening helps your speaking. The more you hear, the more natural words and sounds become for you.
Here's a tip. Choose topics you like. If you enjoy what you listen to, you'll remember more.
Or movies, short clips, or audiobooks. Even 5 or 10 minutes a day is enough.
Exactly. Enjoyment equals better learning.
Right? For example, if you like cooking, listen to cooking videos in English.
Part 5. Review your day in English. This is one of my favorites. Before you sleep, think about your day using English sentences. This habit helps you connect English with your real life.
For example, today I went to work. I talked to my friend. I cooked dinner. And you'll start to think in English naturally, without translating from your native language.
Exactly. Just 2 or 3 minutes before bed can make your brain remember English better overnight. Part 6. Mini conversation practice. 10-minute routine. Part 7. Motivation and mindset. Now, let's talk about something important, motivation. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. That's so true. Learning a language is like growing a tree. You water it a little every day, and one day, it's big and strong. So remember, everyone, don't wait for the right time. Start now.
Now let's put all the steps together in one 10-minute daily routine. Here's how. 1. Morning, 2 minutes speak or think in English about your morning routine. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm getting ready for school. 2. Vocabulary, 2 minutes learn 3 new words and make short sentences. This is a pillow. I sleep on my pillow. 3. Speaking practice. 3 minutes, talk aloud about your day or pretend you're in a short conversation. What did I do today? I went shopping. 4. Listening. 2 minutes listen to an English podcast, video, or song. 5. Review. 1 minute before bed. Think in English and say, "Today was a good day. I learned new words."
Yes, you can follow this structure every day. That's your full 10-minute practice. Simple, short, and powerful.
Yes, many learners start strong, but stop after a few days. The secret is to make English part of your life, like brushing your teeth. Even on busy days, do at least 1 minute. 1 minute is better than 0.
10 minutes today can change your English forever. Step 1. Start your day in English. Step 2. Learn 3 new words daily. Step 3. Speak out loud. Step 4. Listen every day. Step 5. Review your day in English.
Every small step counts. Part 8. Quick recap. Let's quickly recap our 10-minute English practice routine. Simple, right? But very effective if you do it every single day. And that's the goal. Not just learning English, but living it. That's right. Speak, listen, and enjoy the process.
Yes, you'll notice your English becoming more natural, your confidence growing, and your brain starting to think in English. We hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Remember, English is not something you study once a week. It's something you practice a little every day. If you like this video, please subscribe to Englishology, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.
And in the comments below, tell us, how are you going to practice English tomorrow? Thank you for watching, everyone. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep learning English every day. Bye, everyone. Comment the next topic.
See you next time on Englishology. Bye-bye.